Wagwan, what's great? Chef here, John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make coconut curry tofu. Yeah, man, I ate.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
You can have a tasty meal and it doesn't have to be meat, fish or poultry. We're going to give it that protein. Yes, I said it, the protein is in it, man. Because what? We're going to be using tofu and simmer that down in some curry coconut sauce. So for all my vegans out there, this is the video for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. You feel me? I say tell a friend to tell a friend. Morris Time Cooking is here again. So without further delay, forward, me show you what I'm going. Alright, so I got my tofu here. And I'm using the extra firm tofu, you see me? Just rinse this off real quick. We got 18 cuts out of that tofu. You feel what I say? And these are about 1/2 inch thick and 2 inches long. So those are perfect sizes. That's what I want. See? You can cut this however way you want to. I need them nice and chunky. Add those to my bowl. And we're going to lightly season with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, a teaspoon of olive oil. And the olive oil, that's just to help everything coat nicely. And we just mix that in. If you have gloves, you can use that to massage everything in. Be gentle because you don't want to break these. So just use a spoon, or as I said before, if you have a gloves, go ahead and use that. Tofu looking like curry chicken breast. We're going to set that aside for now. So I'm going in with 4 mushrooms. Them call them dopey umbrella. If you don't like mushrooms, you can omit this, but just a different level of flavor and texture to the thing. Just gonna wash these off real quick. And we'll just give these some nice thick slices. We need them to be this thick. You know, not too thin because they're gonna shrink when you cook them. So over to the stove top now. Let me show you what we're gonna get done. Alright, so my skillet is on number 6 and it's heating up. We're gonna add to that 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Now our oil is nicely heated. We're gonna go in now with our onions to start off, right? Half of a red onion, half white onion, 1 medium carrot dice, 1/4 of a green bell pepper, 1/4 of a red bell pepper, 3 stalks of fresh thyme, 2 pieces of scotch bonnet pepper, right? Gonna go in now with that and allow these to saute to get translucent and release all of that excess flavor from our onions. And then we're gonna add the carrots because you know the carrots take a longer time to cook, and half the amount of our fresh thyme. You feel me I say? So about 30 to 40 seconds in, we get everything is looking cooked. We'll turn up our heat now to number 7. We're gonna add to that our mushrooms. That aroma is great already. So we're gonna allow these to brown up a bit. You know what I say? All of those mushrooms to get a bit of color on them. I can now go in with my finely chopped garlic and ginger at this stage because we're about 1.5 minutes in. And the reason why I didn't put the ginger and the garlic in at first, because you don't want them to burn. You want them to saute and give you the flavor. When they burn, you're not going to get that flavor that you're looking for. You just toss that in. You'll get that carrot in. And our scotch bonnet pepper. Half the amount of the thyme. And we leave these for last. Then now, we're going to go in with my bell peppers. I'm going to season that with 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper mixed. This brings out that flavor in our vegetables. You know what I'm saying? We're going to allow this to saute for about a minute, and then we're going to remove those and sort out the tofu. You see me? Alright, they're nice and brown. We've got all of those flavor that we need. And we're going to remove these back onto our plate. Look at those veggies, man. All the juices from our veggies and that oil back into the pan. And we're just going to saute off our tofu. Get that tofu saute off in that same oil with all those flavors, you know. You don't want too much of a high heat, so you don't want to burn your tofu, you know what I'm saying? Just want to get them nice and seared off. See this color? These are the color that we're looking for. We want to get them nice and golden. Use about 1/4 cup of water, we'll add that in. And then, we're gonna go in now with that coconut cream. Beautiful. 1/4 more cup of water just to rinse that out. We'll just mix that in. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of curry powder to 1.5 teaspoon of cornstarch. We're just gonna mix those out and add about 3 teaspoons of water. Let's give this a mix. So the reason why I'm adding the curry powder in this, I don't want it to clump up in the curry sauce, right? And this cornstarch is going to help us to get that nice thick sauce that we're looking for. And the additional curry here to just give you that oomph in the color, you know what I'm saying? Pour that in. You're going to realize how instantaneously the color changes. I'm going to keep this at around 3 on your coil stove, because the cornstarch is now added, and what you don't want this to burn, so you have to turn that down low to about number 3 to slowly cook that tofu, that raw curry and that coconut cream, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna cover this up for about 8 minutes. Wow, beautiful. And now we're gonna add our veggies. You know what I'm saying? Remember, we saute them already. We allow the coconut to cook, the curry to cook. The reason why we saute these first, because we want to get that extra flavor out. And we didn't cook it with this because we don't want to overcook that. So the sauce is almost ready. Toss this in. Vital is vital. So at this stage we know what it wants. We're gonna go in with 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. So we put the seasoning last after we bring all the ingredients together. Going in some green onions, bring out the flavor and everything, you know. But I allow this to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on low heat, and after which I'll show you what it looks like. And there you have it, how to prepare coconut curry tofu here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
Dinner for later. But know you fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause I need man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.